How to find the right auto insurer for you. When you are looking for a car insurance company, you have two angles to look at. First of all, companies in your shortlist should be reliable and reputable ones. And secondly, you need to find the company that is right for you. Hopefully, it will be clear at the end what we really mean by right for you. Reputation of carriers. You have plenty information to your disposal these days. If you want to check if a business is trusted by its customers, you can quickly check for reviews online. You can also quickly go through your checklist. Are they answering their phones quickly? Do their agents knowledgeable and helpful? Is that a new you have come across before? Are they looking after the same interests as you? Why this is important. People don't just want companies that are strong financially and care about their customers. They want large companies to help the local economy, environment, and be generally the good guys. This is important because you are supporting a company by giving them business. If you are doing business with a firm that is destructive, you are helping them out in their endeavor. A car insurance company. Just right for you? What does this even mean? Looking for a carrier is like matchmaking. Insurance policies are not uniform products that wouldn't matter which one you choose. There are a lot of underlying assumptions that determine your rates. In other words, it is a technical guessing game. They want to figure out if you would be a good policyholder or make a large claim. For example, they assume that you will not make many claims because you are financially sound. This in a way may be true because you may be inclined to pay for small damages out of the pocket when you have enough money instead of making claims. Not every company have the same assumptions. And they don't pay the same attention to certain assumptions. Credit history of applicants is as important as their driving records for some companies. And few others still believe in traditional indicators like driving history and traffic moving violation tickets. In the example above, you need to consider your circumstances and see which companies would favor them. If you have a great credit score, you want to find companies that offer the largest discounts for financially sound motorists. Otherwise, you would be looking for companies that still don't take this data as much serious. You can extend the example in many ways. Again, companies like Geico offer many professional associations up to 15% discounts. If you are a member of one of them, you would at least want to get a quotation from this company. If you are affiliated with Army, you want to first check USAA to see how low their prices are for members of military. How to determine if a company is right for you. In order to avoid wasting time, you should first get quick quotes to see if their price is within your range. It is a fact of life that we go to certain grocery store because it is cheap. We know that the more expensive supermarket has quality staff, but it is above our budget. The same mentality may be in work when you are buying automobile insurance policies. At the end of the day, you are dealing with for-profit businesses and you should look after your wallet. Get several quotes and list them down whichever way you prefer. You may list them down from the cheapest to most expensive, or from the ones you know down to the ones you have never heard of. How all these relevant to finding the right company for you? The fact is that they are evaluating you as well, and they are looking at every little detail you provided in the quote form. And the premiums they require is the way they score you. If they like what they saw, they will offer you a low quote. Otherwise, they would offer a prohibitive price. What does prohibitive price mean? It is a common practice that some top companies would bump up their prices when they want to avoid certain type of motorists. This is a way of telling that the risk associated with accepting to insure such client is too high for them, and they don't want the business unless they are well compensated with high premium. Conclusion: there are two ways auto owners react when they are insuring. Some want to be absolutely sure that their claims will be paid, and they will only work with companies they believe reliable. The others will want to be sure that they are not paying over the odds to get insured. They would look at their alternatives and choose the one that offers a good balance between trust and price. Which type of a consumer you are will determine what you will do when your policy is due for renewal. Either you will pay the price and never mention it again, or you will make sure that you find the right vehicle insurance provider for your requirements and circumstances.